How to kill Creeping Charlie in the lawn. Glechoma bederacea, or Creeping Charlie, is a form of ground ivy. It is mostly found growing on the shady parts of your lawn. You will recognize this plant by its dark green leaves and bluish-purple flowers. The trouble with Creeping Charlie is that it grows, and grows, and grows. If you don't want the Creeping Charlie to take over your whole lawn, you will have to kill it. Things you will need: a friend, old clothing, gloves, shovel, trash bags, grass seed, herbicide, mask. Non-chemical control. Recruit a friend to help you attack the Creeping Charlie if you have a lot of it. Otherwise, it will take a good amount of your time to dig up and remove all of it. Wear a set of old clothing and a pair of gardening gloves. You are going to get dirty, and you don't want to ruin a nice outfit. Dig up the Creeping Charlie in sections with a shovel. Your friend can work on one section while you work on another. Just make sure that you get down in the dirt and remove the roots. Throw the entire Creeping Charlie in garbage bags as you dig it up and dispose of it on trash day. Reseed the lawn with grass seed in the areas where you dug out the lawn. Otherwise, you will just have big patches of dirt. Chemical control. Properly prepare an herbicide that contains the ingredient glyphosate. It is important that you follow all of the instructions on the herbicide label. Wear a mask and take any other safety precautions before using the herbicide. Make sure your children and pets are inside. Spray the herbicide on the leaves and soil where you see the Creeping Charlie. Be careful not to spray it on any other plants in the area. To keep this from happening, you should apply the herbicide on a day with a minimal amount of wind. Wait for the Creeping Charlie to die. Then dig up the plant and its roots. Discard in trash bags on trash day.